Hello, my friend. Welcome back. I'm Sage, and this is Easy English with Sage. I'm so happy you're here today. If this is your first time, please hit that subscribe button so we can learn together. Today, we're going to talk about your day in English. Yes, your whole day, from morning until night. And I promise, by the end of this video, you'll feel confident describing everything you do. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin. Picture this. It's early morning. The sun is coming through your window. And suddenly, beep, beep, beep. Your alarm goes. Now you walk to the bathroom. What's the first thing you do? You brush your teeth. Say it softly. I brush my teeth. One more time. I brush my teeth. Then you wash your face with cool water. It wakes you up, right? Repeat with me. I wash my face. Again. I wash my face. Beautiful. Maybe you take a shower too. The warm water feels good. Say it proudly. I take a shower. One more time. I take a shower. You're doing amazing. After your shower, you get dressed. You choose your clothes for the day. Repeat after me. I get dressed. Again. I get dressed. Perfect. And now comes my favorite part. Breakfast. What do you usually eat? Maybe toast, maybe eggs, maybe coffee or tea. Let's practice. I have breakfast. Say it. I have breakfast. I drink coffee. Try it. I drink coffee. I eat toast. Say it with me. I eat toast. See how easy this is? Let me tell you a quick story. I once had a student named Maria. She was so nervous about speaking English. One day I asked her, "What did you do this morning?" She looked at me with worried eyes and said, Nothing." But that wasn't true. She woke up, she ate, she took the bus. She just didn't have the words yet. So we practiced together, just like we're doing now. And after a few weeks, Maria could describe her whole day without stopping. That's the power of practice, my friend. Okay, you've finished breakfast. Now it's time to leave the house. Maybe you're going to work or school. Before you go, you check your bag. Keys? Phone? Wallet? Everything ready? Good. Repeat after me. I leave the house. One more time. I leave the house. And where are you going? I go to work. Say it. I go to work. Or maybe, I go to school. Try it. I go to school. Excellent. How do you get there? Do you take the bus? Drive a car? Walk? Let's practice. I take the bus. Say it. I take the bus. I drive my car. Try it. I drive my car. Try it. I drive my car. I walk to work. Say it. I walk to work. Whichever one is yours, say it out loud right now. This is your life. This is your English. You know what? That journey to work or school is not wasted time. Maybe you listen to music. Maybe you look out the window. Say it with me. I listen to music. Again, I listen to music. English is in every little moment of your day. You arrive at work or school. What happens next? Maybe you sit at your desk. Repeat after me. I sit at my desk. One more time. I sit at my desk. Maybe you turn on your computer. Say it. I turn on my computer. Maybe you check your emails. Try it. I check my emails. Or maybe you're a student. I listen to the teacher. Say it. I listen to the teacher. I take notes. Try it. I take notes. Every action is a building block for your fluency. Let me give you a little scene. Your colleague says, "Good morning. How are you today?" You smile and say, "Good morning. I'm good. Thank you." That. Repeat after me. Good morning. I'm good, thank you. How about you? One more time. Good morning. I'm good, thank you. How about you? Excellent. You just had a conversation in English. Throughout the day, you're busy. Maybe you write reports. Maybe you answer phone calls. Let's practice. I write a report. Say it. I write a report. I answer phone calls. Try it. I answer phone calls. You're doing so well. And then the best part arrives. Lunchtime. Around noon or 1 o'clock, it's time to eat. What do you have? Maybe a sandwich. Maybe rice. Let's say it. I have lunch at 1 o'clock. Repeat. I have lunch at 1 o'clock. I eat a sandwich. Say it. I eat a sandwich. This is real English you need every day. After lunch, you go back to work, you finish your tasks, and the journey home. Maybe you're tired. Maybe you're thinking about dinner. But you're almost there. Say it with me. I'm going home. Again. I'm going home. And when you open your door, you feel safe and warm. Repeat. I arrive home. One more time. I arrive home. Beautiful. What do you do at home? Maybe you sit on the sofa and relax. Repeat after me. I sit on the sofa. Say it. I sit on the sofa. Maybe you change into comfortable clothes. Try it. I change my clothes. Maybe you watch TV. I watch TV. Say it. I watch TV. Or maybe you talk to your family. I talk to my family. Repeat. I talk to my family. Then comes dinner. Maybe you cook. Maybe someone else cooks. Let's practice. I cook dinner. Say it with me. I cook dinner. I eat dinner with my family. Try it. Say it softly. I read a book. One more time. I read a book. Maybe you listen to music. Try it. I listen to music. Maybe you study English. Maybe you're watching this video right now. And I think that's beautiful. Let me tell you something from my heart. Learning English is about courage. It's about showing up every day, even when you're tired, even when you make mistakes. Because every time you try, you get stronger. And I'm here with you every step of the way. The day is almost over. You're feeling sleepy, so you get ready for bed. Repeat after me. I get ready for bed. One more time. I get ready for bed. You brush your teeth again. I brush my teeth. Say it. I brush my teeth. You wash your face. I wash my face. Try it. I wash my face. You put on your pajamas. I put on my pajamas. Repeat. I put on my pajamas. You go to your bedroom. You turn off the lights. You lie down. You close your eyes. Repeat after me. I close my eyes. I go to sleep. One last time. I go to sleep. And just like that, your day is complete. From morning until night, you just described your entire day in English. Now, I want you to try something. Think about your own day. Say it out loud in English. Just simple sentences. I wake up, I eat breakfast, I go to work, I come home, I go to sleep. Start there. Tomorrow, add one more sentence. Little by little, you'll build your confidence. Your English journey is not a race. It's about showing up. It's about being consistent. It's about believing you can do this because you can. I've watched students go from silence to confidence, from I can't to I did it, and you're next. Thank you for spending this time with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button for more lessons. And leave a comment below. Tell me about your day in English. I read every comment. Remember, even 5 minutes a day can change your English forever. Keep going. Keep practicing. Keep believing in yourself. I believe in you. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and never stop speaking. Goodbye, my friend.